Welcome! If you're looking to keep your personal life private on Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to hide your relationship status on the Facebook app when using your PC, even after the latest update. This step-by-step guide will help ensure that only you can see your relationship details, giving you full control over your privacy. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile. Now, you'll want to enter your account's About section. This is where all your personal details are stored, including your relationship status. Inside the About section, look for the Overview tab. Here, you'll find a summary of your key information. Locate your relationship status in this list. It might say single, in a relationship, married, or something else, depending on what you've set up. Next to your relationship status, you'll see a small audience icon. This icon determines who can see your relationship status on your profile. Click on this icon to open your privacy options. A menu will appear with several choices, like public, friends, or only me. To make your relationship status completely private, select Only Me. This means that only you will be able to view your relationship status. No one else on Facebook will see it. Once you've made your selection, click Done to save your changes. That's it. Your relationship status is now hidden from everyone but you. Taking a few moments to adjust these settings can make a big difference in protecting your privacy online. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.